Hi guys, welcome back to Shalice Bakes Cakes. Today we're gonna make some yummy lemon sugar cookies. I'm super excited. This is a new recipe for me and I'm so excited for you guys to have it. I'll walk you through it. Let's see, we're gonna put fresh lemon juice into our cookies and I think that's gonna make it so good. I'm gonna use my Zulay lemon squeezer. I love this because it's so much easier to squeeze the lemon juice out of this than trying to squeeze it with your hand. You get the seeds. This, just stick your lemon right in here, cut it in half, stick it in, and we'll squeeze it. And we get lemon juice, so much easier than trying to squeeze that lemon. I'm excited to use this from Zulay Kitchen, and I'm ready to walk you guys through this fun recipe. I have all the ingredients, I'll walk you through it, and let's make some lemon sugar cookies. We're gonna start out by adding 1.5 cups of sugar to our bowl here, and then I'm going to zest 2 lemons, and we're gonna zest them into our sugar, because if we zest them into our sugar and then we'll mix it around a little bit, kind of push the lemon zest around the sugar, it helps the lemon zest with more flavor in our cookie. So this is what we're doing first. We're gonna zest this into our sugar and then we'll kind of mix it around, push it together with that sugar, and it will help enhance that lemon flavor before we add the lemon juice. Now that we got our lemon zested, I'm just gonna put my fingers in here and kind of push it in with the sugar so it just kind of gets in there and blend it in with that sugar. So it will help enhance that lemon flavor that we're going for. Okay, now we're gonna add 3 sticks of butter. And we'll blend that together. Okay, now we're gonna add our sugar mixture that has the lemon zest in it. It's 1.5 cups of sugar. Then we'll add 2 eggs. Teaspoon of vanilla. We're also gonna add a cup of sour cream to this. We'll mix this together, then we'll add our lemon juice. Okay, now we are going to cut our lemon in half here. You don't need a ton of juice, because a lot of times if you put a ton of juice in, it will destroy the consistency of your cookie. So we're not putting tons of juice, we're just doing a little bit, probably about a tablespoon. We're also gonna add a tiny bit of lemon extract just to give it that rest of that lemony flavor that we are looking for. Now we'll blend it up and add the flour mixture. Now we're gonna add a teaspoon of baking soda, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt. For our flour, we do 4 to 4.5 cups of flour. Now that we've added the flour, you can see that the dough is a good consistency. We're gonna put it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll roll them into balls. Now that our dough is nice and chilled, we are gonna roll the dough into balls, put them on our parchment paper, on our jelly roll pan, and then we will pop them in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. We're cooking them a little bit longer because they're thicker cookies, so they need to be cooked a little longer. Just watch them, and when they kind of crinkle on top, that's when you know that they are done and ready to be pulled out of the oven. So let's make the rest of these sugar cookies, guys. Could use a cookie scoop if you would like, I just like to roll them out, fill the dough, make sure the consistency is what I want. Also, this lemon cookie dough is so good that I'm having a hard time not eating it all before I get them baked. Okay, while we're waiting for our cookies to bake, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make a lemon glaze that we can just put over the top of our lemon sugar cookies. To start out, we do 1 cup of powdered sugar. I have sifted this powdered sugar, so we're just gonna put a cup of powdered sugar in here. And then, once again, I'm gonna use my lemon squeezer from Zulay, and we're gonna squeeze about 1.5 lemons into our powdered sugar. Look at that. That is so easy and so fun. I love it. Super easy to clean too. So we are squeezing about 1.5 lemons in. We'll see if we want to do another. Then we're gonna hit it with just a little pinch of our lemon extract. Just kind of throw it in there. We'll get our whisk and we'll mix it. If the glaze, like you can see here, it's a little bit runny, so if you want it to be thicker, then we just need to add a little bit more powdered sugar to it. And it's really just whatever consistency you guys want in your glaze. You can add as much powdered sugar or not as much, just depending on what you guys want. Look at how easy that was to make lemon glaze. All right, there you have it, our lemon cookies, nice and thick. They're super good, you guys. Now it's time to add our lemon glaze on our yummy lemon sugar cookies. All you do is just leave the glaze in the measuring cup that we made it in, and we're just gonna use the whisk and drizzle that lemon glaze on top. So these cookies are insanely good. Lemon sugar cookies with a lemon drizzle glaze on top. So good, guys. My oldest son loves anything lemon, so he's gonna be so excited when he gets home from school today. Super fun recipe, easy recipe. I hope you guys go home and try it in your kitchens. I will post the recipe at the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Shalice Bakes Cakes. Now I gotta go get some more cookies out of the oven. Have an awesome day, guys.